This talk is mainly about mastering the juggle, and we will be learning how to balance our lives and have calm amongst all the chaos that is surrounding us. And today we have our beloved, esteemed Madam Neena Bopaya ma'am, and who is the principal and head academic unit, and she's been a leading light in the field of education around many decades ago, like I know some, yeah. So for decades she has been leading the various schools in Atomic Energy Central schools, and as a person, I work with her, and it's a pleasure working with her. And when we talk to her, we get such a soothing experience. She has been a person who doesn't only emphasize academic excellence, but also the emotional well-being, mental well-being of the teachers as well as students in the workplace. So today we will be having a talk where she will be peace, prosperity, growth. Welcome back. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. And without taking much time, I will invite Madam to come over, take the stage, and give us tips on how to handle all this pressure.
Plus, sir, for having invited me over, and let me tell you, it's the most happy thing to come back. Right now, I am here out with all the files, and that's all I've been doing all these past 1 year. And to be in school, especially school kids, this was the first school that I was appointed. So coming back to this place is coming back to my garden. So for me, it is a very happy feeling. I still remember the small room that was there where I used to be seated, and Shobha Madam was my principal, and a strict disciplinarian. So before the presentation starts, all of us, as we lead our lives, we see that we have so many areas of difficulties that we face on a day-to-day basis. Now, I want all of you to close your eyes and for a moment think of situations. I'll give you a situation. All of you close your eyes. Situations where you have had a failure in your life. It can be any situation. It can be in a class, it can be in a relationship, it can be, a kind of an examination that you took, a promotion examination that you took, anything. So, a failure. Okay. Another situation where you had some very difficult financial situations in your life, difficulties in managing finances. Many of us face this. In fact, most of us face it. Think of a situation like that. Okay. Think of a situation where you have had difficulty to manage with either your parents or your kids. Sometimes kids, very difficult children, or sometimes with parents, some kind of difference of opinion. Now I want all of you to open your eyes. Tell me one thing, haven't you all come out of all these situations? Slowly, steady. Yes?
Yes.
You have never had this. Yes, it must have been a slow process. In some cases, it must have been a slow process, especially in relationships. It must have been a slow process, very slow, because you have to give it and you have to accept also. So it can be a very slow process. But then, if you see, you have come out of all these situations. The situations are difficult for many of us, most of us in fact, but then we have the ability to come out of these situations also, because we have the ability to come out of these situations. So with that positive note, let us start. This very picture, I was asking me yesterday, Madam, should we add something? Can we have this light switched off? This one. Light should be switched off again. Don't do that. Because I really want that to feel there is some type of juggle and we all juggle, don't we? Can you name a few things that this is an interactive session, sir has already told you. Alright? So tell me, what kind of matches do you juggle with? Or what kind of situations do you juggle with? House responsibilities, school work, friends, okay.
Running against time.
Managing is most difficult.
Running against time, managing everything.
Running against, yes, managing everything. So many things you're juggling, one after the other. Sometimes you feel, where am I? Where am I and what am I doing? And how much of juggling, how much of work am I expected to do? There are days when you feel so low. You feel nobody's recognizing all this work. And you feel that, what am I doing and where am I reaching? So that kind of feeling settles in. And you see this person here, you see the kind of work that he has, all around him, so much of work. You are here just to live. Alright? So when you go by that thought, that's a happy feeling, isn't it? That's a happy feeling that you are here just to live. You are here not to earn, not to stress, not to prove, not to please, but aren't we doing all these things? We are earning, we are stressed, we are trying to prove ourselves in many situations, we are even expected to be pleased or we do please. And then, but then with all this, what you see is because of all this, you are juggling. So there are so many things that you are expected to do. Basically, you want to be like that, like a balloon in the air, happy, carefree. But then that doesn't happen because we have to live a life where we do several things. As a role, like if you, each one of you take your role at home or in the school. In the school, you have your own responsibility, PRT, PGT, PGT, whatever. Principal, vice principal, HM, those roles. Then, going back home, you are the wife, you are the daughter-in-law, you are somebody's sister-in-law, you are somebody's sister, and mother, several roles at home. With all these roles, you feel, oh my God, I'm not able to manage it. But then here, you are here to live. But because of all these things that we are doing, possibly we are doing ourselves. We want to be happy, but then that doesn't happen the way that we expect. There is no hard and fast rule, let me tell you. There is no hard and fast rule. Something that is okay for her may not be okay for her, may not be okay for her. Each one, we have to understand that. What I am going to tell here is some experiences that I have had, some experiences that my friends have had, but something that each one of us normally can relate to. And remember, whatever I am going to tell you today may not be something that may actually happen in your life, may not be something that you will get a solution. It's not a capsule that I can give or anybody can give you. That this is a solution you can adapt to. No, it may not happen that way. Because this is only an experience that I'm sharing. You can take some of it, you may find it not very useful to you. Something, at least this will tell you how you can think of many ways that you can adapt. Now, this picture, the modern teacher's journey that you have, it says balancing work, home,
expectations,
learning
learning new
technology, and the list is endless. Alright? The fact is that when you look at this picture, what comes to your mind?
Multiple works at a similar time.
Balance, alright? Then what? Balancing between
Life and profession.
Both are equally important. I told earlier, you are not here to earn. But now I am saying, I myself am saying, that you are here, you are working and you are living. Why? Why do we end up? Why is it necessary that we balance our life?
If we don't, our work will be visible for our life.
Exactly. If we don't balance between the two, something is going to be heavy. Either it can be life or it can be work. Isn't it? So something will be heavy and that's not what we want. We want a balance between work and life. I was just looking at this figure and I thought, work is more heavy than life. Yeah? Work is more heavy than life because life we lead. We lead and we're happy leading. Work is something that gives us pleasure. Sometimes it's a lot of pleasure, but sometimes it's pleasure too. So that's possibly the reason why work is a little more heavy than life. But then unless we have a balance between the two. Now if you look at Imagine some of your friends who are able to balance well. Imagine some of your friends who are able to balance both work and life very well. What is the feeling that you have for such people? Respect? Admiration. Yes, admiration. Then, what about their lives? What about their lives? They look contented. Yes, I agree. They look contented.
They inspire the try to learn from their good
You get to learn from them. Learn from them. Yes, yeah, they come across as a good example, right?
Yes.
And
They inspire us also.
they inspire you. You're right. They inspire you. They inspire you.
Managers.
They're good managers. They inspire you. What about the students? Because we are talking about teachers, basically. So, what about the students?
Discipline life.
They see the teacher disciplined, right? They see the teacher contented, happy, and when they see their teacher contented, happy, they become good examples. Again, teachers become good examples. Okay, I'll tell you about one small thing here that I have gone through in my life. This is one Uma Murthy madam. She was my teacher when I was doing my graduation. And during that time, she was an excellent teacher. Excellent teacher. And I don't remember having had anybody as able as her as my teacher. Very good teacher. We were all very inspired. But the way she used to come to school, college, she would have a jhula, a white color jhula. She would put all her things in that. And the sari, she would always wear cotton saris without starch. And her hair never used to be colored. During those days, possibly color was not an in thing. And if you see her outside college, nobody would even say she's a lecturer. Right? Nobody would even make out that she's a lecturer. But she was excellent. And in my heart of hearts, I would always say, teachers, when students look up to you, you need to be not only well dressed, you need to be a good example, you need to give that kind of an order. You have to have that kind of an order. The children look up to you as an example. They are ready to emulate you. Right? So that can happen only when you are good at many things. Well dressed, balanced in life, you are having a very good work and life balance so that you come across as a very confident person. And when you are confident, naturally your students will emulate you. Students will know, yes, this is one person I would like to be. During especially primary teachers, many children will go back home and say, "Mujhe teacher banna hai." मुझे टीचर बनना है क्यों बनना है because they like a teacher. It's not because they like teaching, because they like a teacher, they want to become teachers. So from there it all starts. How you become a model for all these students. Okay, so every teacher balances, and of balancing, you can see how your career, your families, your health and hobbies, expectations of your leaders, when I say leaders, your principal, vice principal, HM, their expectation from you, and the challenges you will quickly see. I have taken only a few things today because to cover everything can be very difficult. So your career, your families, your health and hobbies, expectation of your superiors, and challenges to the quickly changing world. That's one thing that we are now facing. Right? Lot of technological changes and how you need to adapt yourself, quickly adapt yourself because world is changing, world around you is changing, and unless we change equally fast, possibly we will lag. That's why there's a lot of pressure. So these are the journey of the teacher these days. So now, managing work responsibilities. Managing responsibility, here we are talking about work responsibilities. So balancing the responsibility school, which is the heart of your profession, isn't it? A good teacher is born. I feel like a good teacher is born. It is your passion that makes you a good teacher. A teacher, if again going back to Mamu, if I am saying that because when I told her that I want to become a teacher, the first thing that she told me that if you want to be a teacher, you have to commit yourself to teaching. If you can't do that, don't become a teacher because either you spoil the lives of hundreds of children or you make the life of hundreds of children. That was such a big blow, that was such a big realization that if you want to be a good teacher, that means you have to commit yourself to teaching. You have to be so passionate about it. Unless that happens, you cannot be a good teacher. slide. It says, very important that you need to balance your response. And as a teacher, all the more important. First, prioritize ruthlessly spending a few minutes every Sunday to list work. Now, I'm just giving a few. That's why I've taken only 3 points each. So, spending a few minutes every Sunday to list the week's top 3 must-do tasks, changing the whole week. Deadlines are missed and stress reduced. Now, here, you see this picture that I've taken. Here, it's very important that you prioritize. What are the important things that you need to do throughout the week? How many of you all use the to-do list? Yes. So you have, you know that you have a to-do list and you tend to list down your the work that you do. All those who are using the to-do list, are you able to complete all that?
Sometimes, but
Sometimes.
we don't complete.
Sometimes you don't complete, sometimes you are able to complete. Now, do you miss out on anything? Do you miss out on anything? Completion is one thing, but missing out on something else is different. Now, when you list out something, you know these are the things that you have to do, right? You know that you've done. Maybe you will get time to complete a certain work, that's okay. But you don't miss out on anything because it's all, there, it's all listed. So because it is listed, you know that these are things that I need to do, and amongst them, you prioritize. You say, okay, these are the first 3 days or 4 things of mine. In this week, I have to do this, and this. And whatever is your priority, you finish that work. And the least important thing you may not do. So it is very important that you prioritize, and it's very important that you start using your to-do list. Alright? Or keep a diary or whatever, and then list it out. And these are the things that you need to complete in this week, so that you are happy that you've done. And let me tell you that feeling of completion of work is something that is, you can't, very satisfying, and I don't think there's any reward for that. That the feeling is such a happy feeling that you yourself will be contented and you will be proud of yourself. Develop routines. This is about a certain person because I just not named anybody. Started 30 minutes early to wrap administrative work. Free your mind for teaching and ensure to leave on time. For example, I had a friend of mine who used to come 30 minutes in advance to school. 30 minutes in advance, he will come to school. Sit and complete all the administrative work. Like for example, today, I'm sure many of you all must be stressed saying that ये काम भी नहीं हुआ, ये काम भी नहीं हुआ, ये काम भी नहीं हुआ. Attendance register भी complete नहीं किया मैंने, और क्या बोलते हैं उसको, जो calculation है वो भी नहीं complete किया, signature भी नहीं लिया, इतना सारा काम. And CCA in charge will be thinking of the calculations that are not done, the result that is not prepared. The examination in charges would be upset कि ये complete नहीं हुआ है. So you all know that there are several things that have to be done. Prioritizing them, very important. And coming a little early, completing your work, when you go back home, you have a lot of peace for yourself and you know you have time for your family. Very important. Maybe it is just 30 minutes, maybe it is just 15 minutes, 10 minutes in advance when you come and when you list out all that you have to do. Plus complete most of the administrative work and then you go to class, you are free from this tension. For example, today, if you were to come at 12 after completing all your work, you would not have it this list. Yes, sir? Yes. You would have said, हाँ, ये हो गया मेरा सारा काम हो गया, अभी बैठ के सुन सकते हैं. Now, when that doesn't happen, your head is reeling. हाँ, मुझे ये complete करके अभी वहाँ जाना है, ये काम बचा हुआ है. So, coming a little early, completing all your writing work and administrative work, and then going back to teaching, your teaching will be far better because you are stress-free. You will be able to perform better as a teacher. Then, also ensure to leave on time. That's also very important. Why are we earning? The question is over to you. Why are we earning?
Because of the
Good lifestyle.
Good life, comfortable life.
Our dream.
To fill our desire.
It's your dream to work. Okay. Gives you satisfaction.
Your passion also.
Your passion. It's your passion to work. It's your something that you're doing. You're doing passion.
things that we also like to bother them.
It is something that you want to give back to society. You want to give back to society. Said something else.
She said hobbies, time for hobbies.
You have time for hobbies. Okay. So when you are working, when you know that you can complete your work in time and then you go back home, I was asking you, why do you earn? Why do you earn? Because you want, for the family, okay, for the family. Some of us earn for the family, some of us are earning for ourselves, some of us are earning because you want to earn, but basically you want your life to be better, alright? And your life can be better only when you give yourself also that time, right? Only earning and not giving yourself that time. How many of you all feel कि अरे मेरे फैमिली के साथ टाइम स्पेंड ही नहीं कर पा रहे, बच्चों के साथ टाइम स्पेंड ही नहीं कर पा रहे, और मैं मुझे यहाँ जाना है जा ही नहीं पा रहे, तो टाइम ही नहीं. This happens, and when that happens, it plays on your mind. It's very automatically. I'm earning well, but I'm not able to do what I want to do. So here, when you complete your work on time and leave on time, I mean, there was here. When I was in school number 5, I would always insist, 4:30 बज गए, चलो, कोई ऐसा काम नहीं है जो हम कल के लिए रख नहीं सकते. Unless there is a deadline. Principal sir बोल रहे हैं नहीं आज 4:30 बजे आप करके जाओ या 1:40 तक करके जाओ, तो आपके पास एक डेडलाइन है, आपको करना ही है क्योंकि आपको सर नहीं होगा. But ऐसा अगर नहीं है, you can always say कि हाँ मैंने जो प्रायोरिटी है इसमें कंप्लीट कर लिया, एक दो काम जो रहेगा मैं कल आके भी कर सकती हूँ. So you can always keep it for the day. Tension free, घर जाओ happy, and when you are happy, automatically घर में भी आप वो happy atmosphere create कर सकते हैं. And if you are not happy, you will be throwing things around. Alright, you will be so unhappy, you will be irritable. So anything that someone asks you at home, whether it's your mother-in-law, whether it's your husband, whether it's your child, you will blow your top. Right? So when you are happy going back home, you definitely will spread that happiness and people around you will be happy. You'll be able to make others happy. So leaving on share time is also very important. That can happen when you feel you have a lot of administrative work, you come a little early, finish up. It doesn't mean that you need to do that every day. Only when there is a lot of work to be done, you can complete that. Many. I remember Cecilia, man, you all know Cecilia. She would come, she used to stay in Dhamsar at that time when I was here in the school. She used to be the first one to arrive. Imagine where is Dhamsar and where is this place. 4:30 or so she will leave her house and come. And she used to be always the first one to leave school. We would say when Principal Matthew used to say here, this building. She always used to come early. But we had a lot of time. Imagine somebody leaving at 4:30 and somebody leaving at 6. That was different because during those days we had class from 6:50 I guess. We had double shift or something like that. Very early. So coming to school on time, a little early to complete all your administrative work, can free yourself, can give you a little time, can give you time. Then avoid multitasking. As teachers, it's really very difficult when you are doing multitasking. At home, what you do? Can you give me some examples of multitasking that you are doing at home? क्या करते हो multitasking? बहुत सारे काम एक साथ ले लिया. रजिस्टर कोई कर रहा है या बैठ के? लेके आए. क्या करते हो एक साथ? Attending calls by cooking. Monitoring your child's work by cooking, है ना? 2 मिनट गए और देखा नहीं ये करेक्ट नहीं ऐसे करो, फिर आया फिर खाना बनाया, गाना सुनना.
डॉग नहीं बजती है तो
हाँ, you are on the call, you are talking to somebody else, तब देख लिया that also happens.
ordering groceries in between.
Pardon me?
Ordering groceries and ordering between.
Yes, ordering groceries in between. As you're cooking, you're ordering for groceries. These days it's very easy, you know. You WhatsApp करके भेज दो उसको लाके कर देगा, you know, all that. So these things you do. Now, as a teacher, is it easy for you to multitask? क्या हम ये कर सकते हैं? अच्छा मैं इसका प्रोजेक्ट भी देख रही हूँ, इसका वैल्यू का आंसर पेपर भी चेक कर लूँ.
नहीं, never.
But we got used to it. Yes, because
Multitasking as a teacher can be very dangerous. Very dangerous because यहाँ पे हम उसका प्रोजेक्ट भी ठीक से नहीं देख पाएंगे ना उसके इवैल्यूएशन कर पाएंगे. As teachers, it's really very difficult to multitask. So, and if you want to be a good teacher, you know, like I'm sure you would, all of us want to be good teachers. So when you want to be good teachers, you cannot multitask in these areas. हाँ ये कर सकते हैं हम इनका इवैल्यूएशन कर रहे हैं क्लास में देखकर बच्चे कंप्लीट कर रहे हैं giving them after giving them a task that is a maths teacher क्वेश्चन दिया है 5 क्वेश्चन बच्चों को करना है क्लास में आप उसका आंसर पेपर कर रहे हो या जो जिसने कंप्लीट किया है उसका नोटबुक चेक कर रहे हो पॉसिबल बट not doing two things evaluation भी कर रहे हो उसका प्रोजेक्ट भी evaluation कर रहे हो और उसका आंसर पेपर भी कर रहे हो. So the end product would be much better. Avoid multitasking. Mr. X once tried preparing a lesson plan while checking students' project. We notice more mistakes. Definitely, when you are doing two things, you tend to notice that you have not done both the work properly, neither this nor that. Okay? And now he monotasks, multitasking, monotasking, and gets better results and less patchy. So when you commit mistakes, especially when you commit mistakes, I'm sure many of you all must have seen this. When you go up and give your answer papers in the class, students' answer papers in the class, and when the teach students say, "मैडम totally गलत है," अंदर से अच्छा नहीं लगता है। आपको लगता है आप गलत हो गए, है ना? टीचर स्टूडेंट्स के सामने आपकी गलती निकाली जा रही है, अच्छा नहीं लगता है। ये नहीं, ये मैं बिल्कुल नहीं कह रही हूँ कि टीचर्स एरर फ्री, टोटली एरर फ्री होने चाहिए, हमारे गलतियाँ नहीं होनी चाहिए। कोशिश जरूर करना है। We are all human beings, we may tend to do some mistakes, but when 10 children come forward, मैं इसमें भी गलती, इसमें भी गलती, इसमें भी गलती है, you will blame yourself. So to be happy, try not to multitask. Okay. This previous one was the class responsibilities and your home at home. How do you conduct yourself at home? We also feel a tug of war between these two areas, the workplace and your home. Sometimes you feel you are not able to devote enough time for your activities at home, and vice versa normally doesn't happen, because here you are monitor, at home you are the boss. Because you are the boss, चलेगा, थोड़ा बहुत इधर कर देते हैं, but at school, because you have the HM looking, checking on you, the vice principal, the principal, having your own conscience, first thing, your own conscience, say, "Hey, I can't be doing that." At workplace, you are more careful than what you do at home. But because of this tug of war, there can be a lot of hard work. You feel very upset, you feel unhappy, because you are not able to match up to your own expectations. Set clear boundaries, most important. Set clear boundaries. One teacher, this is an example. One teacher made a personal rule, simple personal rule: no taking calls after 8 p.m. or no emails after 8 p.m. How many of y'all have made this rule for yourself? Good, good. How many of y'all? Sometimes it's not a big. Sir will never raise his hand. Madam will never raise her hand. You know, vice principal sir, because they are in a different role. They can't be doing that. They have to be. Because actually principal का job है 24/7 job. हर मिनट आपको तैयार रहना पड़ता है, कुछ ना कुछ आपको डिटेल्स आता ही है। And the HAU sends message at 10 o'clock. Yes, sir? Yes. So, no school emails after 8 p.m. या फिर calls after 8 p.m. आप अपने लिए ये रूल अगर सेट करते हैं तो आप खुश हैं, आपके घर वाले भी खुश हैं। जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू आर हैविंग अ फैमिली डिस्कशन, सडनली आपको स्कूल से कॉल आता है और आप वो अटेंड करने चले जाते हैं, बिकॉज नॉट योर पीपल आर हैप्पी। आगे रोज नहीं होता है, रोज नहीं, कभी कभार होता है, ओके एक्सेप्ट। पर रोज जब ऑफिस से कॉल आने लगता है तो इट इज नॉट अ वेरी हैप्पी फीलिंग, neither for yourself nor for your family. Likewise, Sundays, no office work, only family time. तो आप लोग का एक ही संडे मिलता है, सेकंड सैटरडे और संडे। संडे, no school work, no office work, only spending time at home. The other day I am not going to name the person, the principal. He was mentioning, "Madam, मेरे घर में रोज लड़ाई होती है। मैं घर जाता हूँ 8:30 बजे, 7:30 बजे। Alright, and my wife says you are married to the school." Alright, I spend all my time in school, and because he has that much of work, actually speaking, there is a lot of work. So he says, "I can't go back home before that," and what happens at home is because they are also expecting the wife is expecting. Children are big, especially when children are big. In many cases, I'm sure children are big. They have gone away from home. They are working elsewhere. They are studying elsewhere. Children are not at home. You are only two of you, husband and wife. Either the man is waiting for you or you are waiting for someone. So there is a lot of irritation. अकेले रहना पड़ता है, कोई नहीं है बात करने के लिए. So that kind of irritation. So Sundays are just for family. The simple practice rejuvenated, and this giving an example was for a person actually, that when he decided this, that after 8 p.m. no calls from my colleagues, so the teacher actually, no calls from my colleague, no talk about school, no talk about my office, and Sundays totally for my family. That gave him a lot of time. All the families, the family was happy, he was happy. Likewise, delegate and communicate, very important. Involving family members from meal preparation to chores distribute the load, organize family time once a week, turning chaos into teamwork. Now, how many of you all sit and discuss things with all the family? All the family. Good. That's a very, very good practice. Well, I see several of the hands up. Very good practice. And young mothers, young girls who are waiting for getting married, and young mothers, please make it a practice now itself, because the moment your child becomes an adolescent, it becomes difficult for you to get them to sit down and listen. So it is better that you put that practice right from the beginning itself. Sunday थोड़ा टाइम निकाल के जरूरी नहीं कि मीटिंग ही करो, मतलब ऐसा लगना नहीं चाहिए कि मीटिंग हो रहा है, आगे के टेबल में ही बात कीजिए और अपना जॉब डेलीगेट कीजिए. A colleague of mine a few days back, she had a sprain in her right thumb. She was not able to even knead dough. और घर का सारा काम उनको करना था. Her in-laws there at home, and she had to do because her maid simply left. What she did was she assigned some work. Husband को बोला कि vegetables chop कर दो. Daughter को बोला कि तुम्हारा हाथ में प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, तुम आटा गूंद दो. बेटे को बोला कि कपड़े उधर से उतार दो and fold it. She delegated. And once she delegated that work, she was happy because she was able to complete all the work and come to office also on time. So delegation of work is important. The word other than delegate was communication is very important. बहुत बार हम लोग क्या करते हैं, हम दुखी हैं, अनहैप्पी हैं, हमको ये लगता है पूरा वर्ल्ड का दुख सिर्फ हमारे ऊपर है और हम वो लेके चलते हैं, हम कम्युनिकेट नहीं करते. जब तक आप कम्युनिकेट नहीं करोगे, sometimes it is not that the other person is able to understand every emotion of us. ऐसा होता नहीं. बहुत टाइम वाले when you start living with a person for a very long time, possibly is able to understand even when you are having a grimace on your face, समझ में आ जाएगा उनको कि हाँ ये grimace इस वजह से है. But most of the time it's not necessary. अगले को बैठ के बताना पड़ता है. बताने का क्या करता है? When you involve the entire family together, I'm sure many of you, whoever said put up your hands, I'm sure you feel much better at home क्योंकि आपको पता है कि घर में मुझे अगर इशू है तो सभी लोग जुड़ जाएंगे, शेयर करेंगे, काम शेयर करेंगे, जो भी है. Sometimes when you go back home, you say कि हाँ मुझे ये presentation बना है, तुम थोड़ा मुझे हेल्प करो. करते हैं क्योंकि उनको पता है कि हाँ ये कर सकते हैं. Something that he or she can do, you give that work to. हाँ उसके बाद आप बहुत उसको better करते हैं वो अलग बात है, but you tend to take that. ऐसे बहुत है, just giving one example. ऐसे बहुत सारे काम हैं जो साथ में मिल के आप कर सकते हैं. The family involvement and communication with the family is very important. Don't forget self-care. Very important again. Don't forget self-care. Many find peace in a hobby. Now I have written Miss A because I don't want to have it before. Anjana madam, you all know her. That's why I'm giving names. Anjana madam, Anjana Maji madam, अभी वो इंदौर शिफ्ट हो गई हैं. यहाँ स्कूल नंबर 6 में थी. She started going for a singing class. Right? And she was telling me how happy she felt after going for this was a hobby she inculcated. तो अच्छा लगता था, पहले भी अच्छा लगता था. अभी घर में कोई नहीं है, बेटी की जॉब करने लगी है, घर में कोई नहीं, तो she devoted that extra time that she had to singing. And when she did that, she felt very happy. It's very important that you develop a hobby. बहुत लोग पढ़ते हैं, so many of you all read books. You are able to that little time that you have, your me time. आजकल कोई me time बन गया है. पहले me time नहीं हुआ करता था, hobby होता था या अपने लिए थोड़ा टाइम निकाल लेते थे. कुछ लोग ग्रूमिंग में ज़्यादा पसंद करते तो अपने ग्रूम करते हैं, कुछ लोग पढ़ते हैं, कुछ लोग अपना अलग-अलग whatever interests you tend to spend more time, and that gives you a lot of happiness. बहुत लोग डांसिंग क्लासेस के लिए जाते हैं, सिंगिंग के लिए जाते हैं, कराटे क्लासेस, स्विमिंग क्लासेस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल बलविंदर अरोड़ा मैम, शी वॉज रनिंग, वो उनका पैशन है, तो उन्होंने वो अपना टाइम उधर डिवोट किया है. तो आई एम गिविंग यू लाइव एग्जाम्पल्स हाउ दे फील हैप्पी एंड दे आर हैप्पी. नेचुरली काम भी अच्छे से हो रहा है, घर भी अच्छे से मैनेज हो रहा है, उनके हॉबी पे भी टाइम को दे पा रहे हैं, हॉबी के लिए भी टाइम दे पा रहे हैं. सो दीज थिंग्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Don't forget self-care. Now, when I say self-care, one of the important aspects is also grooming. Going back to Uma Murthy madam, the grooming भी इतना ही important है. We are teachers. When we go to the class, students are looking at us right from जो गाँव में ना, I'm sure you would understand this. When you especially during winters, you have cracks. बच्चे वो तो notice करते हैं. वो तब नोटिस करते हैं. आपका साड़ी आपने कुछ नया पहना है, तुरंत आपको आवाज होता है, मैडम आपका साड़ी बहुत अच्छा है. स्पेशली प्राइमरी, आपका साड़ी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, आप बहुत सुंदर दिख रहे हो. that few compliments from your students is enough to make you feel very happy the whole day, you know. आपको 2 इंच और कमा हो जाता है. So, grooming very important and giving yourself time very important. Meeting expectation from superiors. आपके superiors का भी expectation है बहुत सारे, क्योंकि वो चाहते हैं कि उनका स्कूल बेस्ट स्कूल बने, और बेस्ट स्कूल तभी बन सकता है क्योंकि स्कूल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर से नहीं बनता है. The school does not become a good school because of infrastructure. The school does not become good school because of the furniture, the beautiful ambience that you have. The school becomes a better school only with good teachers, only with committed teachers, only with conscientious teachers. So when the teachers are conscientious, when the teachers are committed, when the teachers are ready to do work, then you have a very strong team. And वही चाहता है anybody, any administrator wants such a team. कभी-कभी आपने सुना भी होगा कि प्रिंसिपल को बोलते हो, या आपने खुद महसूस भी किया होगा, मेरे कमिटी में अगर ये 2 लोग हैं तो मैं अच्छे से चला लूँगा. आपको ऐसा लगा है कभी? मेरे कमिटी में अगर ये फलाना 2 टीचर्स आते हैं तो I'll be able to do my work. I'm sure you get that feeling. Why? Because these teachers whom you are thinking about are the ones who would give would work hard, who see that the work is done. तो हम ऐसे लोग चाहते हैं, ऐसे स्कूल भी हैं, ऐसे प्रिंसिपल भी हैं, ऐसे हमारा टीम ऐसा ही है. And when you have, let me tell you, when I was here in this school, we had a wonderful team. Jolly man was here. Your friend Ganesh, what was it? Jaya Ganesh, strict teacher. I have never seen a smile on her face. Very strict teacher. I think one of the youngest teachers, but she was given class 9 10. She used to handle them well. Many teachers, very good teachers. तो क्या है, जब team strong होता है, तो naturally you feel. And let me tell you, ACS 3 used to produce first in entire first the one who scored the best in 10th standard used to be always from ACS 3. Sandhya Mohanan, if I remember right, another boy also. Jitesh was also there. Jitesh Patil, who is today an IAS officer, he was also in the same school. टीचर्स इतने बढ़िया टीचर्स होते, बच्चे पेरेंट्स जो है घर यहाँ शिफ्ट करते थे, आप बिलीव करोगे, यहाँ शिफ्ट करते थे क्योंकि उनको चाहिए था स्कूल 3 में उनके बच्चों का एडमिशन. तो दैट वाज बिकॉज़ टीचर्स वर सो गुड. तो आप लोग फ्रॉम एवरी वन ऑफ यू हियर सीटेड हियर, इफ यू आर द बेस्ट, यू बिकम द बेस्ट, बिकॉज़ ये कुछ चीज़ें ना हमें एक्सपीरियंस सिखाता है, कुछ चीज़ें हमें इनबॉर्न होता है. सो व्हाट इज इनबॉर्न यू डोंट हैव टू कल्टिवेट, बट व्हाट इज नॉट योर्स यू विल हैव टू learn and be the best so that you will be proud of yourself and you will be doing the best of the system. So, school leadership, very important, but a tricky thing. Being in the good books of the school administrators is yes, definitely, because tricky इसलिए बोल रही हूँ क्योंकि बहुत सारे challenges हैं. हर बार challenge को meet करना difficult भी होता है, अपने आप को tense नहीं करना पर meet भी करना है, वो हमारा duty है, काम है. Commit realistically, very important. Mr. A used to take on every extra duty. ये देखा होगा कुछ लोग. Some people do that. मैं ये भी काम करूँगा, yes sir, this is possible, yes. Many of them are yes boss, yes sir, possible, yes sir. This is also yes, that's also yes. In the end, what happens is बहुत सारा काम लेके क्या हो जाता है, कुछ भी complete नहीं होता. Be realistic. Okay? आपके हम लोग सब इसी जैसे मैडम है, सर है, वाइस प्रिंसिपल सर है, हम सब भी टीचर्स ही हैं. हमें भी पता है कि कितना हो सकता है, कितना नहीं हो सकता. अगर सर आपको ज़्यादा काम दे रहे हैं, उसका मतलब सिर्फ एक ही है कि आप में वो क्षमता है. You have an ability and that's why you are one mover. So you are able to perform. Here, realistic. अगर नहीं हो रहा है, तो be open. Realistic. Be realistic. Tell yourself कि हाँ, ये इतना हो सकता है, इतना मैं कल कर दूँगी या कल कर पाऊँगी, नहीं कर पाऊँगी, जो भी नहीं कर पाऊँगी, नहीं होगा क्योंकि वो देख के ही दिया होगा. But there are situations where you may have to be very open about what is possible and what is not. You are happy with yourself and you will be making your bosses also happy. So be realistic in your commitments. Now, second one, communicate proactively. This is Mrs. Dr. Prasanna, who used to be with me in Tata Party. She would diligently, or every time she sent out wherever she is, she would send me message. Picture आ गया मेरे पास कि बच्चों को खाना खिलाया, ये फलाने बच्चे ने नहीं खाया, इसने ये खाया, इसने ये खाया. Why I'm saying is that every little information that the person gets, आपको कुछ काम दिया है, आप अगर काम, let us say 5 दिन का काम किया है, 2 दिन में आप अपडेट भेज दो कि मेरे ये 2 दिन का इतना काम हो चुका है, इतना और बाकी है. The person who has given you the work is satisfied कि हाँ इतना काम हो गया है. He has an update, she has an update. Correct? So that is very important. Communicate proactively, and I just given that example there. Mrs. Prasanna sends her principal a quick weekly status. Can be weekly status, daily status, जिस तरीके से आपका काम है. This prevents misunderstanding and actually leads to a better annual review. Also, when you are doing that, you are giving proper information to your principal or administrative manager. She says, okay, this person, the review of you, yours, when the annual review is made, that time also the person thinks, हाँ, इन्होंने अपना काम बहुत बढ़िया तरीके से properly किया है, plan करके किया है, इसमें कोई गड़बड़ नहीं हुआ है, और मुझे throughout उन्होंने inform रखा है. So that is very important. तो इसलिए it will be a better review also and review. Seek help. This is especially for all of us who are new beginners in many things. ऐसे जरूरी नहीं है. For example, आज अगर मुझसे कहा जाता है, though I was taking class 12 last year before coming here. अभी एक जो नया सिस्टम आया है उसमें अगर मुझे क्लास लेना है, मुझे सीखना पड़ेगा. That's a new technique. I will have to learn many things. Alright. So there is no harm in saying, there should not be any shame in accepting the fact that नहीं मुझे ये नहीं आता है. जरूरी नहीं कि आप न्यू टीचर हो, आप और एक्सपीरियंस टीचर भी हो सकते हैं, बट जब नहीं आता है तो टेक हेल्प should come naturally to you. A new teacher will go by a new curriculum, confided in her headmistress as was paired with a mentor. ये काम हमेशा हमारे superiors करते हैं. अगर आप मैडम को जाके बोलना पड़ेगा ये मुझे नहीं समझ में आया, ये नया है, मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, मैं नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. Immediately she will pair you with another person who is good at the job. And as I told you, the school becomes better because of teachers. So teamwork is also equally important. इसमें ये feeling नहीं आना चाहिए कि नहीं मैं बैठूँ मैं किसी के साथ share नहीं करूँगी. It's because once you share with all of them, automatically you have a better thing. So sharing is important, seeking help is important, and that when you are paired with a mentor, it can make a huge difference in your life, the life of the students, and that's what we are here for, isn't it? We are here to teach better. We are here to make the lives of these students better. So automatically, this difference you will see and you will be happy, and your entire team is going to be happy. Adapting new technologies. So I've taken only these 4 areas. Adapting to new technology. I was just a few minutes back in. You see the picture here. So many things happen. So many things. And it's something like again a jungle. Many things you understand, many things you don't understand. This is for example when we come step by step. Technology can be both exciting and overwhelming. It can be. Sometimes you think, oh, very nice, it's easy. This is for example, how many of you all use ChatGPT? Almost all. Yeah, almost all. Why do you use ChatGPT?
Saves time.
Huh?
Time.
Time which is, okay, you save on your time.
Sometimes helps you a little bit to think out of the box.
It helps you to think out the box. Yes.
You don't need to make an extra effort.
You don't have to make, you don't have to make an extra effort, isn't it? In other words, let us say, to make a speech, right? When you are writing down a speech, you spend almost 3 to 4 hours selecting this, that, and the other, so many things, and then, putting it in order. But the moment you say this is what you want, immediately in few seconds, or some other programs that you have to arrange for everything, you go to that kind of an AI portal, you save on your time, and that's why you do it. That does not mean that it gives you a complete picture. You may have to do a lot of alterations, but at least it saves on your time. But that is something exciting. Fine. Can you tell me something overwhelming, difficult, which bogs you down when I talk about technology? Some examples from your side. How many of you all have tried the new IFP, Interactive Fact Value? Started using it in class? I am quite happy.
Only the YouTube.
First, I'm quite happy. You know why? Because Nina was with me when I was in school 1, and I still remember the computer का काम नहीं हुआ. Computer का काम नहीं हुआ. ये नहीं कर पाओगे. Once the class, okay, let me ask this question. When you go to the class, now imagine you have the interactive flat panel, और आपको इतना अच्छे से अभी perfect नहीं हो पाए हो, How comfortable are you in the class? आप कितने comfortable हैं class?
Not really comfortable.
Not really comfortable. I agree. Not really comfortable. जो जैसे बुक लिया पढ़ा दिया है ना, जैसे मैं इंग्लिश टीचर हूँ तो टेक्स्ट बुक मेरे हाथ में है और टेक्स्ट बुक देख के मैंने पढ़ा दिया, जो पोएम है मैंने रिसाइट किया पढ़ा दिया, आसान है मेरे लिए। पर इसमें करना शायद उतना आसान नहीं क्योंकि मुझे सीखना पड़ रहा है, तो वो सीख के मुझे करना, मुझे कभी कभी लगता है बच्चों के सामने मैं फॉल्टर कर जाऊंगी, वो जो फियर है ये मैथ्स टीचर स्पेशली समझ जाएंगे। जब सोल्यूशन करते हो ना क्लास में, सोल्यूशन करते हो कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि आंसर नहीं आता है और बच्चों के सामने बड़ा ऑकवर्ड फील होता है कि भाई आंसर नहीं आ रहा, 2 बार किया 3 बार किया तब भी आंसर नहीं आया, सोल्यूशन क्यों नहीं आ रहा है, एंड देन चिल्ड्रन टेल नहीं मैडम इसको ऐसे करना है, दैट्स ऑल द मोर है ना। जैसे ये आईएमपी का भी ऐसे ही होगा, आप वेट एंड वॉच, क्यों? क्योंकि बच्चे बहुत स्मार्ट हैं आज, उनको ये सब पता है, तो कैसे कहाँ से क्या करना है, which item to use and how you get a certain element, they know everything because they know in the class when you go you are at the unsteady कि हाँ ये कैसे होने वाला है, क्या करने वाली हूँ और क्या ये ठीक होगा, काम तो सब किया है, प्रैक्टिस भी किया है, पर वहाँ जाके ये होगा कि नहीं वो पता नहीं। So this feeling is there, that's why I said technology can be both exciting and overwhelming. Learn together. Many schools have started a tech buddy program. Like for example, इसमें ये प्रोग्राम आने वाली बात ही नहीं है, the younger generation may be better than the older generation, है ना? Many of them. So क्या होता है tech buddy? तो एक young teacher को जो इसमें बहुत माहिर हैं, उनको एक older teacher के साथ में pair किया जाए जो अभी सीख रही है। तो सीखने का कोई उम्र होता नहीं है। So when you have such a buddy with you, then it becomes easy. तो इसमें ये नहीं feel होना चाहिए कि नहीं I am better and she is lower. That feeling should not be there. But then having a tech buddy makes the pair better, makes the teaching better for the school. So that is very important to have a tech buddy. Many schools have started this, having a tech buddy. Miss A was nervous about smartphone, but her buddy's patience helped change her mindset. So just say for example, Meena says that I cannot use computer, but she has started using. And I'm sure if she has a tech buddy with her, we know that she started all steps. Several of us started new accounts during COVID. During COVID, नहीं पता है बहुत बार ऐसे होता है कि स्मार्टफोन यूज करना भी नहीं आ रहा था, करना ही था, कोई ज़्यादा फोन was better for us. Sometimes we just had but कुछ टूल्स हम यूज करते हैं, कुछ टूल्स तो यूज ही नहीं करते हैं। आपका जो फोन है, मैं 100% श्योर हूँ, आपका फोन का जो पेज है जिसमें इतने सारे टूल्स हैं, उनमें से 1/4 ऑफ द टूल्स आप यूज करते होंगे, बाकी टूल्स ऐसे ही रहते हैं, जरूरत ही नहीं होती, मतलब आप यूज नहीं करते। तो यहाँ उस टाइम में if you remember COVID 2020, you were pushed into a swimming pool and were asked to swim when you did not know swimming it. वो सिचुएशन था। हमको सीखना भी था, उससे पहले हमने सोचा व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप, कुछ लोगों ने व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप भी तभी बनाया, जैसा हमें उतना ही आता था कि व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप बनाया, इंफॉर्मेशन डिसिमिनेट कर दिया, पर हमें करना था नॉट ओनली दैट, वी हैड टू टीच ऑल्सो। तब जाके सडनली हमने क्लासरूम में गूगल क्लासरूम यूज करना स्टार्ट किया, जूम यूज करना स्टार्ट किया, तो बहुत सारे टूल्स यूज करना हमने सीखना पड़ा ना। इट वाज लाइक वी वर फोर्स्ड टू लर्न, बट वी लर्न, ऑल ऑफ अस लर्न। एंड सरप्राइजिंगली बिफोर दिस information came from CBSE that you need to take classes online, we had already started taking. अप्रैल के महीने में हमने स्टार्ट कर दिया, just in 1 month's time we started using these tools to have classes. And we were seated, initially I think we started from home, then we came to school. In school also, almost all the places we tried. So ऐसे भी हुआ है एक रूम में 2-2 3-3 teachers बैठ के classes ले रहे हैं, ऐसे भी हुआ। So and sometimes we also started using our own data because in the school that was not available, वो provision नहीं था, या हम चाहते थे कि ऐसा एक secluded area में ताकि बच्चे हमें अच्छे से सुने, तो हम अपना data भी use करने लगे। All these things happened, but then the change was drastic and the change was sudden. वो sudden change अगर हम prepared तो नहीं थे, हमें करना पड़ा। That also the transition was beautiful. और see the confidence that you have now. अगर आपको आज कहा जाता है कि नहीं आपको ऑनलाइन क्लास लेना, आप तो ready हो कुछ भी, because you have gone through it and you've seen it, you've adapted to that. Take small steps, then celebrate wins. One school appreciation. Okay, this is regarding month-end meetings में, जब जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर एक टीचर कोई डिजिटल टूल यूज कर रही है, क्लास में सर गए, मैडम गए, देखा कि बहुत बुरी बात है कि when I saw that my teachers were doing this, I appreciated them in the staff meeting. तो क्या होता है, जैसे हम अप्रिशिएट करते हैं उनको तो अच्छा लगता ही है, बाकी जितने लोग हैं उनको भी ये लगने लगता है कि yes, if he can do, I can. Why not try it out? And now you have to write, because all the schools have got this track and back panels. So definitely the moment, and I suggest that when one person is able to do it well, आप उनके क्लास में जाके बैठिए, learn it because this is the next generation. आप okay, my own example. In 12th standard was one boy named Vairoj Kalada. ये बच्चा क्लास नहीं आता, बहुत छुट्टी लेता. Now this I asked him one day, देखो मैंने कल इतना difficult poem किया है, तुम कल आए भी नहीं, कैसे समझे? He was in the 12th standard. I said, how do you understand? And that's such a difficult poem, it needs explanation, a lot of explanation. And he is a movement boy, and he stood up and is telling me, कोई बात नहीं मैं YouTube देखूँ. And I was quite sad. And I said, कैसे YouTube देखूँ? YouTube में कहाँ? I went and searched, and to my surprise, all the poems, चाहे वो क्लास 10 का हो 9 का हो, सारे पोएम हिंदी में एक्सप्लेनेशन है सबके, हिंदी में, इंग्लिश के पोएम की हिंदी में एक्सप्लेनेशन. Like this, you have the entire poem, written down, and the teacher explains. यहाँ गोला लगा के ऐसे आगे पूरी पे वो explain करती है, ठीक है? बच्चे को क्या चाहिए? When the entire explanation he has on the fingertip, बार देख रहा है वही, and naturally he does not need a teacher in the class. Why I am giving you this example is because आज वो जमाना है. अगर आप क्लास में ऐसे नहीं पढ़ाती हो तो ऑटोमेटिकली हम लोग पीछे रह जाएंगे. और बच्चों को जब कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग बाहर मिल रहा है तो हमारे हम पे क्यों डिपेंड करेगा? So that's why it is very important that we transition in a way that children start depending on us. Now let me hear some real voices. I'm coming to the end of my presentation. Let me hear some real voices. So 3 examples I have given. I want you all to give me more examples. When I said strict work cut off at home, my stress level dropped and my family was achieved. For example, sometime back, we recently I used to get multiple calls in the evening because जब मेरे I am now part of a team where I have 30 principals. तो 30 principals में जब भी उनको डाउट होता है या तो early in the morning sometimes 6 because बहुत स्कूल के लिए 6 बजे 6:30 बजे निकलते हैं. I am sleeping. But उनके लिए वो उस टाइम में important है मुझे उनसे कुछ बात करें क्योंकि they want some clarification. They call me at that time. 10 o'clock in the night, 10:30 in the night also I get calls. Now what used to happen is मेरा sleep भी disturb होता है और mind भी when you start thinking on something नींद भी चला जाता है. Yes, you become alert कि कल सुबह जाके मुझे ये पहले करना है. I decided this is taking too much of my health, so let me now say 9 o'clock के बाद में unless it's a very important call, I don't need to go. Alright? And I go to bed early. I wake up early, so I go to bed. मैंने ये decide कर लिया कि and also I said I was not going to watch reels and वो भी नहीं watch करूँगी 9 o'clock because that is again a kind of an addiction. आपने भी देखा होगा बैठ के देखते रहो आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि टाइम कैसे निकल गया. 2 घंटे बैठ के आप देख रहे हो रील्स, है ना? समझ में नहीं आएगा आपको और फिर आपको लगता है मेरा इतना काम का पड़ा हुआ ये भी नहीं किया मैंने ये भी नहीं किया, स्ट्रेस लेवल आपका बढ़ गया. So I decided नहीं 9 o'clock के बाद में my mobile is on charger. I'm just not going back. Unless of course very very important call my boss मुझे लेना ही है, but other than that ऐसा कॉल आता नहीं. मैं बॉस never call me after 9 o'clock. तो ये एक रूल अगर आपने अकेले भी बना देंगे, yes after this time I'm not going to touch anything. Then you are happy, naturally the people around you are also happy. Second one, opening up to my superior about real time limits and scale. Again, मेरे superior को ये बताना कि मेरे में ये खामी है. This is what I cannot do. This is scary thing because you think that your superior will be judgmental. Will feel नहीं इसको तो आता ही नहीं. But remember one thing, हम सबको सभी चीज आना जरूरी नहीं आएगा. You should understand that and you'll be happy. सब कुछ सबको नहीं आएगा. कुछ चीजें जो नहीं आएगा जैसे शेयर होल्डर मुझे नहीं आता है, कंप्यूटर का काम नहीं आता है तो नहीं आता. हाँ मैं सीख सकती हूँ, that's different. मैं सीख सकती हूँ, मेरे वो शब्द है, that's different. But then at this point of time I don't know. If openly say, and I think she has said that to everybody. he had difficulty to go up on stage, anxiety issues, बहुत ज़्यादा anxiety issues. I think he was in the 11th standard when he went to, there was a club in Tarapur where there was a debate competition. Debate competition, cases 1, 2 and 3, the students. He kept on telling me, Mama, nahi hoga, nahi ho paayega. There was another boy, these two teamed up and he went. He stood on the guys, start हो गया, बोला उसने कुछ. After a short while, he saw some people talking and laughing. इसका confidence गया करने में. Okay, he's looking at them and he's there. Imagine he is
Talking about
giving his part of the debate. He's calling out that, and suddenly he notices somebody talk and said, "These people are disturbing me." अब वो इसीलिए बोला क्योंकि वो खुद एंग्शियस था, वो खुद कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं था, इसलिए वो बोल नहीं तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है, कोई तुमको देख रहा है, हंस रहा है, that should not matter to you. But at that time I still remember, when I go back, we discuss now also how stupid we were. Today he's doing exceptionally well, but during that time we found it difficult. Was giving him a lot of anxiety. तो जरूरी नहीं कि हम सब चीजों में अच्छे हों, but then what you are good at and what you cannot do, be open about it. Take care. And to your seniors also be open. कि हाँ ये मैं कर सकती हूँ, इतने में करके दे दूँगी, ये बात थोड़ा difficult है. If you can put somebody with me who is good at this job, I can finish that job. That will help you. The first week in digital enhanced. This is again. If you remember last year, those of them who were here last year in 2022 digital attendance करना था. Okay, we were asked to do digital attendance. First day I was thinking, my God, ये कैसा होगा? But in 3 weeks time, that was much easier than the regular attendance. है ना? जैसे आज अगर आप देखते हो, when you first got your smartphone, you felt it was so difficult. कि हाँ इसमें क्या करना है, समझ में आ रहा है, ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, ये सब. पर आज की तारीख पे आप पूरा शॉपिंग कर लेते हो उसपे. You understand that it was much easier than what you were doing the physical attendance. So small wins do matter. छोटी खुशियाँ हैं, छोटी चीजें जब आप करते हो, that makes you more confident and you are happy. Because you are happy, your output is better. Real voices मैं सुनूंगी. Before that, so can you also share experiences from your side? जो आपको लग रहा है कि आपने ये किया तो उसकी वजह से आपको थोड़ा better situation आप face कर पाए.
I would
Yes.
like you said, till now it is computers a big phobia for me. So I went and told the HMM and sir also. So they never ridicule me for things like that. They know my limitations and then like tech buddy, she is my tech buddy.
So whatever I said is already there.
They are very helpful and very cooperative. So the work is also assigned and divided that way. So I feel opening up and
Owning up and saying that these are the areas of your difficulty can help you.
I always got the support from everyone.
Yes. Same. Yes. Yeah, because see, when we started, I think I did my post graduation in '92. Okay, I finished in '92. So when we did that, possibly computer was not an easy thing. Computer science was there, but it was not expected of all of us to learn computers. But then when we passed and when came here, we knew that there were several things that we had to use the computer for. और शायद ये last 15 years में बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया, dependence on computer. Earlier I remember हमारा सारा result by hand हम लिखते थे. Nowadays 10 साल पुराना आप पूछ लो, there is difficulty to find it because everything is in a computer. कि प्रिंट आउट जिन्होंने निकाल के साइन करके रखा है, हार्ड कॉपी उनके पास होगा, और अगर उन्होंने जो एक्सटर्नल डिवाइस जो लेके हार्ड डिस्क में सेव करते हैं वो भी होगा, बट अदरवाइज टू सर्च आल्सो बिकम्स सो डिफिकल्ट. However, in the past it was very different because hard copies, even my admission register, I was so surprised. But when I joined school, वो भी आज तक है उनकी स्कूल में register with my name written, my mother's handwriting on it, was still there. पेजेस ऐसे कलर के हो गए हैं, सो बाउंड्री हो गया है, but still it's there. But today when you go, you find it very difficult because everything is in the form of
not COVID or not. I am tech freak, I know that. But then at that time, in spite of Neena not being a tech freak, she had guided me for certain things.
Yes.
Like using the pen tab, she guided me how it has to be done. and then screen sharing. When we are delivering online classes to share the screen, these were things which she taught me. So it was a very good thing for me. It was a running thing.
So necessity is the mother of invention.
Yes.
I still remember, I think, Bindu would know. Latesh ji, she's so scared of everything. You know, वो वैसे नहीं होगा, ये भी वैसे नहीं होगा, ये भी पढ़ा सकती हूँ मैं क्लास में लेके पढ़ा दूँगी, but बाकी सब काम नहीं होगा. She also did exactly the same. She started teaching online. Not only that, she made videos also. She was able to create her own videos so that she could use it later. Again, somebody who would never even, otherwise would never even think about it. But again, necessary.
Turning point in technology.
Yes, exactly. COVID was a turning point. इसलिए आजकल आज हमें ये सब इतना difficult नहीं लग रहा है. Because already we have come through a lot and we have seen that our ability का हमने क्या बोलते हैं एग्जाम भी कर लिए थी हमारे ability इतना हम अपने आप को switch कर सकते हैं. So that's why possibly these worries possibly don't affect us as much as it used to do in the past. So I've heard some of your experiences. Just as in closing, balancing these 4 areas is never perfect. I started saying this. To balance all these 4 areas, there is no perfect rule for all this. It depends. For you, something can be useful, for somebody else can be useful. But then, if you are able to balance all this, you become a happy person. You learn to live. Not to exist, but to live. And that's very important. So consistent changes, when you make consistent changes, when you every day when you are adding up to your well-being, it definitely will start showing. Organize your schoolwork and set realistic goals. 4 points that you can take home. Organize your schoolwork and set realistic goals. Protect your home space and prioritize what brings personal joy. आपको क्या प्रायोरिटी, किस चीज को प्रायोरिटी देना है, आपको समझना चाहिए. And involve the entire family to see that there is a happy atmosphere at home. Be honest and proactive with superiors and seek guidance. Be honest with जब हम honest होते हैं, for example, as I was doing this, I thought of Kiran Bedi. You all know Kiran Bedi. Once upon a time, it so happened she was in charge of the traffic of New Delhi, that area, and Asian Games started 1982, I guess. Asian Games, 82-84. So 82, what happened was lots of those flyovers were built because they had to make several areas for this Asian Games, which was supposed to be held in 1984. So because of that, traffic का बड़ा chaos होता था. People would park arbitrarily, यहाँ सब parking कर दिया, problem create किया. So what this lady once so happened, when Nirmal Singh, who was with her as her assistant, he towed away a car which belonged to the Prime Minister's office. ये बहुत ही famous story है. Prime Minister's office का तो गाड़ी कोई तो देखेगा मेरे ख्याल से दूर की बात. उसको उन्होंने वहाँ से उठवा लिया, टो कर लिया, and it was placed elsewhere और चालान भी काटा. Imagine Prime Minister's officer का गाड़ी चालान काटा. Officer का गाड़ी मतलब Prime Minister's office, one of the vehicles of the Prime Minister's office, not the road. Now the repercussion देखिए, ये हो गया, बहुत बवाल हुआ, सब हो गया. She didn't budge. Alright? What happened was, after a few days, Indira Gandhi, the Prime Minister at that time, she called her over and they had tea together. आजकल भी वो photograph कभी भी लोग share करते हैं. Because she was her boss, Prime Minister है भाई. Prime Minister उनको बुला रही है क्यों? Because she was honest with her. She was honest in her work and she did what she had to do. She did what she was expected to do. और उसके लिए उनका ये था कि हाँ, sit. She honored her by inviting her over and having a cup of coffee. That itself is enough. कि आप जब अच्छे से काम कर रहे हो, honestly काम कर रहे हो, तो आपके जो bosses हैं, recognize करते हैं. When we have meetings, जब हम बोलते हैं सर हमें एक ऐसे person चाहिए, immediately some names pop up. Why? Because they know that yeah, this person is a very honest person, will do the work properly, will complete the work with not only will put the heart and soul, he is a conscientious person who will do the work. So इस वजह से being honest is important and being honest is appreciated by your bosses too. The last one, embrace technology as a team. Start slow and celebrate growth. Start slow. I know sometimes very overwhelming. कैसे करेंगे, कैसे वायर यूज करना है, क्या लेंगे, कैसे कौन सा टूल्स यूज करना है, कैसे ब्लैक कलर आएगा, रेड कलर आएगा, सर्कुलर कैसे बनेगा, all these worries are there. Because we have not used. But it is not something that cannot be used. And ये हमने जैसे लोगों ने तो बनाया है, so naturally it can be done. But only thing is how to do it. You may have to spend a little more time. And this tech buddy thing can be a good way to start. Start slow and compliment yourself. थोड़ा छोटा-छोटा step भी होना, celebrate करना सीखिए. You have to learn to celebrate your small wins, because when you celebrate your small wins, a lot of happiness to yourself, and when you are happy, your output will be better. So with that, let me close. And let me close, and that's why the picture also, you have to balance. You know? Everything around you, you will definitely have to balance. And that's what I should have been doing all these years. I'm a mother. I am a principal. And okay, let me share one more story. I was a child, I think standard. Like when my father was, during those days, he was in the armed forces, so we used to get constant transfers. So I went to a different school, and there I was in the 7th standard. 7th, when I saw the monitor of the class was okay, was kind, and he was not able to control the class most of the time. So there was a lot of noise in the class, and from an army school going to a different school, a private school, was very difficult for me to even understand the very culture of the school was difficult. With students being bullying each other, making fun of each other, it was not very easy for me to make. So I thought that I should be the monitor of the class. Right? So the next year, because 1 year, 1 monitor. During those days, girls were never considered. These days we have 2 monitors. Girl monitor, boy monitor. Because we give equal opportunities for her. During those days, only 1 monitor. So when I told my class teacher the next year, P.P. Bharat sir, when I told him in the 8th standard that I want to become the monitor of the class, he laughed at me. He said, how will you control? And I was actually puny in your clothes. How will you control the whole thing? In class में तो boy ही monitor बनेगा. He didn't listen, he didn't, but he made a boy monitor to continue. Life changes, life changes, and you learn to accept many things. You want to be better. In 10th standard, somehow I got the chance to become. But now I was thinking, after all that, and during those days, becoming a monitor was such a difficult thing. Right? Now, when I look back at that life of mine, I've come so far. Right? I'm from a very small village, basically a very small village. If I've grown from there, coming out here, fending for myself, working in such places, being transferred from place to place, and right now being the monitor of 30 schools, it makes a difference. Monitor you, the principal, but that's the fact that I am a monitor now. So that makes a difference, and all of you are going to go like that. 10 years from now, when you look at yourself, you think, 10 years बाद पहले कैसे थी मैं? ये भी नहीं आदत होती, ये भी नहीं आदत है, मैं ये भी नहीं कर पाती, but आज मैं बहुत better हूँ. So that shabashi is very important. You have to pat your back and say, no, I am going to be better, and I am going to be fruitful for myself and my citizens. And for that to happen, you have to balance all your roles. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. That was such an amazing interactive session where we got so many tips of how to balance our personal and professional lives. And as ma'am said, it's never perfect, but small steps can be taken, and we all are ready to do that. Right from making a to-do list and prioritizing things and setting our limitations and being honest and proactive about your limitations to the heads. One of my limitations is I'm not a good speaker at all, and I shy away from public speaking, but sometimes I have to do this. So all this has helped us. We cannot be stressed daily, but we can take steps to reduce our levels of stress in our daily lives and balance our life to have a happy, content life. Now I'll request our principal sir to share his experience.
Thank you, madam. Respected Dr. Neena N. Gopaya, Principal and Head Academic Unit of AES, and as she said, monitor of 30 schools, and when she included in her introduction that her reporting time is 10 a.m. and her office is supposed to be closed at 6 p.m. but practically it is from morning 7:30 a.m. to night. So how practically she is managing, but when I'm thinking that how just taking care of one school, I am receiving so many calls, so many doubts, and so much communication I'm going through, and she has to take care of so many schools, so many. But she has planned her life in such a manner so that she avoids stress. एक्चुअली स्पीकिंग, इस सेशन का जो उद्देश्य था वो ऐसा नहीं था कि जैसे जो इसका फ्लायर था उसमें जो 4 हाथ या 8 हाथ दिखाए गए थे, तो वो टीचर्स कोई सलूशन मिल जाएगा ये उद्देश्य नहीं था, बिकॉज वी ऑल आर टीचर्स एंड वी नो कि राइट और रॉन्ग क्या है। बस उद्देश्य इतना था कि कुछ बातों पे बात होनी चाहिए, और टीचर्स की लाइफ अगर मुश्किल भरी है, बिकॉज पिछले 10 सालों में, 10 साल भी मैं ज़्यादा बोल रहा हूँ, मेरे ख्याल से पिछले 5 सालों में चीज़ें जो नई चीज़ें तो आई हैं और बहुत सारी और चीज़ें आई हैं, तो वर्कलोड बेतहाशा बढ़ा है। उस टाइम पे अगर हम अपनी चीज़ों को प्रैक्टिकली प्लान नहीं करेंगे और उनके इफेक्टिव प्रॉपर सॉल्यूशंस नहीं खोजेंगे, तो फिर हम ज़रूर स्ट्रेस्ड रहेंगे। आप लोग बहुत सारे लोग ये सोच रहे हैं कि बोल कौन रहा है, क्योंकि कई चीज़ों का मैंने वाज स्पीकिंग अबाउट टाइमलाइन, वाज स्पीकिंग अबाउट कि हमें समय पे जाना चाहिए, मैसेजेस 8-9 PM के बाद, 9 PM के बाद हमें कॉल्स नहीं लेनी है। तो आई थिंक आई may not be the origin of all the problems, but principal के through many tasks assigned होते हैं, that is a plain open fact, but at least बात होनी चाहिए। मैं हो सकता है कि बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स सॉल्व ना कर सकूं, प्रिंसिपल सॉल्व ना कर सके, मैं मतलब प्रिंसिपल, बिकॉज आई नो दिस प्रोग्राम इज बीइंग रिकॉर्डेड एंड विल बी पब्लिश्ड एंड इट शुड बी सीन एंड शुड बी टॉक्ड अबाउट, बिकॉज जो टीचर्स की जो परेशानियां हैं वो उस पर बात होनी चाहिए। दिस आई हैव फीलिंग। हो सकता है कि हम यहाँ पर उन प्रॉब्लम्स का कि हम कैसे, जो बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं उनको कैसे हम विद इन टाइम कंप्लीट करें, कुछ चीज़ें हमारे हाथ में होंगी, कुछ चीज़ें हमारे हाथ में नहीं होंगी, लेकिन हम इस पे ज़रूर बात कर सकते हैं कि कैसे एक दूसरे की हेल्प करें, कैसे एक दूसरे के टेक बड़ी बने, इसमें कोई टाइम का इशू नहीं है। कैसे हम वर्क प्लेस पे या घर पे छोटी छोटी हैप्पीनेस को शेयर करें, कैसे हम एक जो बहुत छोटी छोटी चीज़ों में उसमें कोई खर्च भी नहीं होता है, हम एक दूसरे के साथ एक दूसरे के जो एनर्जी लेवल है उसको हम बढ़ाएं, एक दूसरे को पैट करें। कहीं पढ़ा था कि when somebody needs a hug, don't give him lecture। जब कहीं पे किसी को इमोशनल मॉरल सपोर्ट की ज़रूरत होती है, तो वो जब उसको मिल जाता है, तो क्वांटम ऑफ वर्क विल नेवर हैव अ प्रॉब्लम। मेन चीज़ है कि टीम, मेन चीज़ है एक दूसरे की म्यूचुअल रिस्पेक्ट, मेन चीज़ है कि जो टीचर्स जो इम्पोर्टेंट टास्क कर रहे हैं, जो वर्क कर रहे हैं, वो दैट शुड बी रिस्पेक्टेड, दैट शुड बी ऑनर्ड। रिस्पेक्ट पहली चीज़ है। नीना मैडम is the most suitable person, not just because she is senior and she has more than 30 years experience. I think as a vice principal in AES we are working from 2000 or 2001 से, तो 25 साल का एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव एक्सपीरियंस बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है। I think she is the most suitable because वो सभी टीचर्स की लाइफ्स को देखती हैं और देख रही हैं, and मैं खुद भी एक टीचर हूँ, she is saying, and this should not be one program. I think this should be a series of such programs जहाँ पे हमें टीचर्स की जो छोटी छोटी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं उन पर बात करनी चाहिए। एक प्रॉब्लम उसमें से स्ट्रेस, या कैसे हम मदारी की भूमिका को अच्छे इफेक्टिवली निभाएं। हमारे 2 ही हाथ हैं, मगर हमें 8 हाथों का कार्य भी करना पड़ता है, हम मल्टीटास्किंग करते हैं। कई बार प्रिंसिपल्स ही जो है वो उसकी वजह होते हैं घूम फिर के, ठीक है, कभी प्लेजेंटली, कभी डायरेक्टली, कभी इनडायरेक्टली, बट इट्स अ प्लेन फैक्ट कि हमें इसके बीच अपने मेंटल स्ट्रेस को अपने बैलेंस रखना है, कायम रखना है। कैसे हम वो कर पाएंगे, इस पे एक शुरुआत कर की है। हो सकता है कि हम उसको क्वांटम ऑफ वर्क को कम ना कर पाएँ, लेकिन उसको हम ईज जरूर कर सकते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल हम बेहतर टेक्नोलॉजी का प्रयोग कर सकते हैं, हम एक प्रिंट के लिए ना भटकना पड़े एक टीचर को, इतना तो हम कर सकते हैं। तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें हमारे हाथ में नहीं होंगी, लेकिन बहुत सारी दूसरी चीज़ें हैं हमारे हाथ में जो कि हम कर सकते हैं। आई एम वेरी होपफुल कि इन कमिंग टाइम we will surely be able to provide better things, better atmosphere, and as madam has said कि कोई भी स्कूल इतने इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर या फैसिलिटीज या फर्नीचर या अच्छी टेक्नोलॉजी से एक स्कूल नहीं बनता। जो स्कूल को स्कूल बनाते हैं और सबसे सुरक्षित और सुकून भरी जगह बनाते हैं वो हैं उसके टीचर्स, मोस्ट वैल्यूड पीपल और स्टूडेंट्स। तो विद लॉट ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट मेरे ध्यान में एक जहन में पोएम आई, वो रनिंग पे जाती हैं, डांस के लिए जाती हैं, म्यूज़िक के लिए जाती हैं। तो पाब्लो नेरुदा की कविता है जो कि इसका हिंदी तर्जुमा है, उसको बोलना चाहूँगा। मर जाता है वो धीरे धीरे जो नहीं करता कोई यात्रा, पढ़ता नहीं जो कुछ भी, सुनता नहीं जो कोई संगीत, हंस नहीं सकता जो खुद पे, मर जाता है वो धीरे धीरे, नष्ट कर देता है जो खुद अपना प्यार, छोड़ देता है जो मदद करना, मर जाता है वो धीरे धीरे जो बन जाता है आदतों का दास, चलते हुए रोज एक ही लीक पर, बदलता नहीं जो अपनी दिनचर्या, नहीं उठाता जोखिम जो पहनने का नया रंग। मैं गुलाबी कलर लेडीज़ को लगता है तो मैं पहले उसको थोड़ा झिझक थी, लेकिन मेरी बहन बोलती है कि सब पहनना चाहिए, लाल भी अच्छा होता है। मुझे लाल नहीं होता था, मैं मेरा ब्लू और हरे उसी का वॉइस वाले, बट मैं ठीक है लाल भी पहनूंगा, गुलाबी भी पहनूंगा। तो नाउ आई एम ट्राइंग कि ठीक है पर आज बदलता नहीं जो अपनी दिनचर्या, नहीं उठाता जोखिम जो पहनने का नया रंग, नहीं करता जो बात अजनबियों से। कई सारे रील्स देखी जिसमें अपने अजनबी को अप्रिशिएट करना होता है रेलवे स्टेशन पे, एयरपोर्ट पे, तो कहता हूँ कैसे लोग कर लेते हैं, बट वो देखना सुखद होता है कि कैसे हम अननोन की भी तारीफ करते हैं। वर्क प्लेस पे कई बार हम अननोन होते हैं, इतने बड़े स्टाफ में एक दूसरे को नहीं जानते हैं, बट एक प्लीज एंड गुड मॉर्निंग दोनों का स्ट्रेस रिलीव कर देती है। मर जाता है वो धीरे धीरे, करता है जो नफरत जुनून से और उसके अशांत जज्बातों से, उनसे जो लौटाते हैं चमक आँखों में और बचाते हैं अभागे हृदय को। मर जाता है वो धीरे धीरे, बदलता नहीं जो जीवन का रास्ता, असंतुष्ट होने पर भी अपने काम से या प्रेम से, उठाता नहीं जो जोखिम अनिश्चित के लिए निश्चित का, भागता नहीं जो अपने सपनों के पीछे, नहीं है अनुमति जिसे भागने की। तो जियो आज जीवन जियो, उठाओ आज जोखिम, मत मरने दो खुद को, आज धीरे धीरे मत भूलो कि तुम्हें खुश रहना है। खुशी सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ है। इन दिस वर्ल्ड नथिंग इज एब्सोल्यूट, एवरीथिंग इज रिलेटिव, बट द अल्टीमेट ट्रुथ ऑफ द लाइफ इज हैप्पीनेस। स्टे हैप्पी एंड कीप मल्टीप्लाइंग हैप्पीनेस। With on behalf of each one of you, I sincerely thank Dr. Nina and Mopaya, Principal and Head Academic Unit of AES, and I want to present this painting, beautiful painting made by our students to Nina Madam. I request our teachers to be beautiful present your. Some teachers, some people can join and. अटेंडेंस रजिस्टर आज नहीं जमा करवा, नेक्स्ट डे कर दीजिएगा। और आज की मीटिंग तो 12:30 शुरू हुई थी, हम 1 बजे मिल जाएंगे, ठीक है।